Morning everybody, Dale here with Scrapyard Rescue. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on Fairlane number 2. In the last video I did just a little quick video on some stuff I found in the junkyard for this car. So today we're going to go ahead and get started. I already installed the seat just to make sure it fit. So I'm going to pull the seat out. I got my sound deadening showed up today, so we're going to go ahead and get the floor all sound deadened. I got the carpet laying out there in the back of the car in the sun. Hopefully it'll warm it up enough to I can get it in there, and I'm not 100% sure the carpet is going to fit. The seat fit perfectly in here, and it came out of a 62 Mercury Meteor. I did some checking on this stuff, and pretty much they used the same basic car for them, for the Mercuries and the Fords and stuff. They were using the same chassis design and things like that. So what I'm hoping is, because the seat fit, that I'm hoping the carpet will fit. That'll go in here. So that's what we're going to actually be working on today, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to get the seat out and get started on that stuff, and we're just going to hope for the best, and maybe I'll have a brand new seat, new carpet for like hardly nothing. So we're going to get started on that. All right guys, I don't know how good you can see this. Kind of hard getting the camera in here. I'm kind of getting a little layout and stuff going. Seems it's going. I don't think I'm going to need near as much of this stuff as I got, but that's okay. I'll use it for something else. This stuff is pretty much the same as everything else. All the other ones, I think this stuff is it's just what it is. Goes down pretty easy. Just kind of lay it in and shove it down. It's kind of fitting pretty good too. I'm not going to have to do a lot of cutting and stuff on. And I like the way it was packaged. It's all stuck together on the sides. I think it must have been sitting someplace where it was pretty hot or something. I don't know. Kind of melted. But it was pretty cheap. I think I got it off the old Amazon for, I got a Black Friday deal on it, which was kind of good. It was like 20 bucks off. I think I only paid, I think I paid like 40 some dollars for the whole box, and I got, obviously I got, quite a bit more than I need, but like I said, that's okay. We'll use it up someday. The Ranchero project we're working on is going to need some. We got to put new carpet and fix the floor in that car, so that'll work. We'll have enough to put some in there. These pieces of tape you're looking at are just, I just had some, when I was fitted those bucket seats in here, I had to drill different holes for them. That's what those are from. They're just the holes that I drilled to fit the buckets. awful lot of little holes drilled all over underneath here on the floor. I think those are supposed to be weep holes, so when you get water inside it, you get through the carpet, it'll, you know, run out on the ground or something. I don't know what else they're for. The big holes got plugs in them, all the little ones don't. I don't have any idea how you pronounce the name of this stuff. Chuckwoobai, I guess is what it's called. Obviously, it sounds like it's Chinese made, huh? Yeah, good old Chinese stuff. Well, that was pretty easy to get the back done. I think I'll just keep going with the back, get the back finished, because going up over the tunnel is going to be a little kind of weird. But I'm going to go ahead and let's going to turn this way for a while. Like I said, I don't know how good you can see everything. I don't know. 5 pieces for that part. Well, they make a little roller thing you can get for putting this stuff in, but I don't know. I never really cared anything about that. It seems to go in just fine without it. You just got to push it down in the dents. Oh, come on. Well, yeah, well, I guess we don't need that. Ouch. Okay. Before, when I've done this, when I got done, I would go over all the seams, duct tape them. But then since I didn't get the carpet in for so long on the other car, that the duct tape's all fallen off anyway. And then I decided that I don't really need the duct tape, and because I don't have any duct tape, and I forgot to buy some just now when I went into town, so I'm not going to duct tape it. I'm just going to hope the carpet fits. That one came off. My knees are getting sore. Okay, well, the back's all done here. I got to get the gas pedal off, and I'll start working this side over, and then kind of do the tunnel last, and we'll get you back in here when I get it done. There's no point in just showing the whole thing. It gets kind of boring now because I gotta start cutting, you know, pieces to fit and stuff. So we'll be back here pretty quick. All right, guys, I got the sound deadening all in. It went pretty good. I kind of wish I did have some duct tape now, but I don't feel like driving 50 miles to go get one, so I guess I'm still not 100% sure the carpet is going to fit. So does this look perfect? Yeah, it does. Looks good enough for me anyway. So I'm going to go ahead and throw the carpet in here and kind of see what happens. And kind of go from there. So we will kind of keep going, and I'll show you here in a bit when I get the carpet kind of laid out. All right, guys, I got the carpet in. You know, it doesn't fit perfect, but I don't care. I paid $10 for this carpet, so if I have to tear it back out later, you know, that's just fine. I'm going to go ahead and put the seat back in, see if I can get it, you know, a little bit flatter. Then I got to try to figure out how to get if it's going to tuck up underneath the back seat or not. But I got it. It wasn't easy, believe me. It wasn't easy and it wasn't fun. So I'm going to go get some help, get the seat back in, and then kind of take it from there. All right, I got the seat back in. Carpet's in. I'm going to vacuum it out one more time. Clean it up. Boy, I tell you, this was aggravating. But it looks okay. It's $10 carpet, so I'm happy. I'm not going to put the back seat in today because I'm tired. The wind's blowing. It's getting cold. So I'm going to get this cleaned out a little bit better, and we'll see how it looks then. All right, guys, we got the carpet in. I got to do a little bit of work in the back to get it tucked up and under where the back seat goes. I'm going to do that maybe tomorrow. I'm tired. It's been a long day. I had to drive 100 miles round trip just to get this, pick up the sound deadening, and it's been a nightmare. The wind's blowing like hell here. It's getting cold. So we're going to end this video here, and you know, hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, share, all that good stuff on it. And as always, thanks for watching my videos, and I'll see you on the next one.